Well, give it to her.
Did you take this on?
You don't have to say anything. You don't have to do it. You just like watch me as I groan and moan.
My tent is not going to be in this video because it's already been ridiculed.
I did not ridicule your tent.
I will not.
My tent's beautiful.
My tent is how to live on the trail as a poor person. No, I don't trust the shots that you'll take.
What? I used to make YouTube videos, don't you know?
No. I mean, you will put things in the video I don't want in the video. Handing someone the camera and having them put in crotch shots. Like,
oh, well, yeah, that's kinda odd.
Pretty shallow pond here, but that thing off in the mist, that is Mount Blue, after the name of this big body of water. And that is where I'm going tomorrow. Can you say hello? We will see you soon, Tumbledown. We will see you soon. Not a bad place here. Pad Thai for breakfast. Not for me, but for somebody else. Alright, let's cut this guy down to size. Alrighty. And because we are cowboy camping, what kind of coffee you got over there?
Cafe Brustello.
Alrighty. I'm actually going to make a video here in sometime in September, and it's going to be which coffee is the best.
Oh yeah.
And I'm going to be very partial to the Zach Wild man here. That is my quarry right over there. That's a heck of a thing. Trailhead parking, where I started. No idea where that trail goes, but I'll be on it later. I was given specific directions. Let's see if I can remember them. Loop trail up, brook trail down. Loop trail up, brook trail down. Should be able to remember that. There's other trails up here. Can't get to them all in a day, which is a bummer, but I see a blue blaze in my very immediate future. The wind is just howly today, and this is the brook trail, which I'm not supposed to be going up. Okay, you are here, and so am I. I'm going up brook. They tell me not to, but trailhead's like right there. I could go back to the truck and go through the whole thing. It's like, you know what? I think I'm just gonna go do this. And there is a nice little brook down there. You can probably hear it over the wind. Maybe not over the wind. Brook crossings are becoming a little bit more severe. Oh, I would love to soak my foot in that. Maybe later. Interesting little rock garden in through here. I think there's some trail work happening up ahead. If you can hear that. Okay, I will. think I'm going up there. I think I'm going to go right through where they're working. That'd be fun. Howdy, guys. Hello. Go up and around.
Yeah, thank you.
All right. Have fun, guys. I've done that before.
Oh, cool.
On Whitecap. Yeah, the up north. On the AT, way up by Cucajo, up that way.
Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah, I know what it's like. I was up there for a week. Another waterfall. Definitely the outlet from the pond up above, which I'm very close to. Hardly the end of the trail, but nice sun rocks, and I just can't say no. Just lay down for a minute, contemplate life, and good times. Up and close. Hello, Tumbledown. Okay, now there are two of them. I've died and gone to heaven. I have died and gone to heaven. Put that on loop, it'd be happy. This is pretty wild. Look at that back there. Just had some friendly folks tell me that to not go down the loop trail, and two ladies just reaffirmed that. They told me exactly what Amy had told me, so okay. As far as I'm concerned, I've already, reached the destination. Anything after this is just gravy. Just gravy. Oh man. So I get to walk down back over there again. What is the problem with that? I don't see it. Alright, so I don't get the ladder I guess is kaput, so I'll still have some fun. I'll still find a way to get in the truck. Don't you worry. Oh my 8. Oh. Peoples. They said there was blueberries everywhere and I forgot all about it until I just walk onto them. Okay. Taste test. Enough said. Give me more. Give me more. Had to take the hat off. It's just blowing it all over the place. I'll spare you a look at my old head. You're welcome. Well, it's supposed to be is awesome. I'm still gonna go down and I'm gonna go down the Brook Trail, not the Loop Trail. The Loop Trail is what that thing looks like over there. And they didn't want to go through it at all. So I guess it's quite the conundrum. They did that like the second I walked by. Now I'm starting to have, I don't know, some compunctions. All right, where were we? Pond link, I don't know how that works. Parker Ridge, we can go try that. We'll go up there for a little bit. Goes to Little Jackson. That's Parker Ridge. I should consult a map. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to be doing Parker. Just not enough data on it. That guy. Stay tuned. Now I get to go walk through all those screaming memes again. Yay! I thought the state park last night was bad. Holy jeez. I need a hand free here. Scooch down. Yay. And hope you don't get a wet shoe out of it. Oh, it's such a different world from, I don't know, an hour and a half ago. Was it? I was the only one up here. Nobody passed me. And now, Armageddon. Yep, just got done with the Tumbledown Trail. It was really awesome. And everything looks just the way I left it. It's like a frippin' rock concert happened all of a sudden. Well, I guess Amy was correct when she said this is like the most popular trail basically in the state of Maine. And goodness.